What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be tackling my extremely messy house. I feel as if every inch of the place is filled with clutter. I would say I don't know how we got here, but it was most likely me just not keeping up with a daily cleaning routine. And this is the result. We have a mound of laundry laying here on the couch, probably about 2 or 3 loads, and I think even one in the dryer. We also just have random stuff placed throughout the entire apartment. So this is the reality of things when you don't have a daily cleaning routine. But today we are going to be, I want to spend like maybe 2 hours max cleaning up the entire place. And, you know, just giving it a much needed reset. So if you guys ever find yourself in this type of situation, just know it happens to the best of us. And this video is here to give you all the motivation to tackle your mess, whatever that looks like. So let's jump right in.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. Always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try.
As usual, we are starting off in the living room because, again, as soon as you walk in the door, this is the first room that you walk into. And I just want to tidy it up. And also, not to mention, I did have about 2 or 3 loads of laundry that was also sitting on the couch for probably a couple of days, if I'm going to be honest. And I knew that I could not procrastinate on this any longer, and I needed to get all of this stuff folded and put away.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
I will say that this pile definitely looked a lot larger before I even got started, but we're already finished with all of the clothes and now it's time to tackle my linen sheets. Now, this is a little hack that I have not shared on here for a really long time, but I'm going to show you guys a super easy way on how you can fold your fitted sheets and the entire set, because honestly the goal is to keep everything together. So I always like to start off with the pillows and then I will start folding just the top sheet because it's just a lot easier. We're trying to get a thin, long rectangle. So depending on the size of your bed, whether that's a king size, queen, twin, full, all of this stuff, it's slightly going to determine how you fold it, but you know what? Do your basic stuff. We're going to fold it. Now, when it comes to the actual fitted sheet, what we are trying to do is we are trying to fold it in half, meaning the top and the bottom. We're not trying to do side to side when you're like looking at, you know, the sheet or how it would be on your bed. We're literally just trying to fold it in half. Then you're going to take the top side and fold that 1/3 down. The bottom, you're going to fold that 1/3 up, and then we are going to fold that in half. Again, a very thin rectangular shape. Going in with my top sheet, I realized that the rectangle was a little bit too thick for what I was going for, so I just folded it into thirds, as you guys can see me do here. And now we are going to fold the rectangle, I guess, shape, if you want to call it. So you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to kind of fold it into thirds, you can do that. You can also fold it into fourths, like how I'm doing it. And then we are going to just slap the 2 pillows on top and store that away. Bringing in my slap the two pillows and store those away. So I ended up finding these cute little like ornament things from the Dollar Tree. So I got the cat, the hat, and also the ghost. So what I was thinking about doing is Riley and I painting each one of these and then using the clear string that I have and having it drop from like in the hallway from the ceiling. Thinking it's like just really cute. So we will be decorating these soon, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on this.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin.
I am really excited for my fall clean and decorate with me video. That is definitely going to be the next video, so make sure that you guys are subscribed because you don't want to miss out. I think it's just like nice to decorate but also staying minimal at the same time because that's just my personal style. But I do feel as if I needed to tackle the mess first before we even tried to start decorating anything.
I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin.
I went grocery shopping, put all of the groceries away that needed to go into the freezer and the fridge, and I got lazy and just did not feel like putting the things back that needed to go into the pantry. Now that I think about it, going grocery shopping and putting away the foods is very similar to laundry. It's so easy to like throw your stuff into the washer and dryer, but the real work does not come in until you actually have to fold and put it away. And I feel as if that's where a lot of us get caught up. It's the folding and putting away. And for me, sometimes it's the putting things away, especially anything that needs to go into the pantry or the cabinets. But we are cleaning this table up really nicely, and then I'm just going to go in with a Lysol wipe and wipe everything down. Surprisingly, the kitchen really wasn't too bad. I had already loaded the dishwasher, but before I needed to get that started, there were a couple of things that were in the sink that I needed to load up. And then there were some clean dishes that were just air drying, so I'm going to put all of those away. We're going to wipe down the counters, and we are actually done in the kitchen. I feel as if this is definitely the quickest I have cleaned this kitchen in a while. It's the weekend, so I give myself grace for not making my bed right away as soon as I wake up, especially if it's a weekend where Riley is with her dad, because I like to personally sleep in, have slow mornings, take my time, do anything, you know what I mean? Sometimes be a little bit lazy as I'm laying on the couch, and then I have to talk to myself like, Nia, it's time to get up, get this place cleaned so that you can just sit in peace for at least 24 hours with a clean home. So that's what we're doing today. I made my bed a little bit later. I have some YouTube going on in the background, and we're just going to tidy up each area of my bedroom, get that reset for the new week.
I used to think that we were so
Thankfully, we had already done some deep cleaning for the fall. If you guys missed that video, I will make sure to have that linked below for you guys. So a quick vacuum was really all that was needed in the bedroom today.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol.
Riley has been doing such a phenomenal job when it comes to keeping her room tidy and clean. So honestly, there really wasn't too much stuff that I needed to do in here. Pick up a couple of toys and stuff here and there, slightly make her bed, just kind of like folding a couple of blankets, putting those away as well, and vacuuming in here. And I am so grateful that she's been keeping up with it, because it's definitely less work that I have to do.
Yes.